Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got a real quick completion review. As you can see, this is Jack Sparrow, and I got him from Fansells. Now, this was an unboxing back a while ago, and I cannot find, well, just to be terribly honest, I didn't take a whole lot of time looking for the video, but I will find the video and put it in my description box, the link for Fansells and this canvas, if it's still in stock, and I will let you know how much it is in my description box. But for the most part, I just didn't take out a whole lot of time to go searching for it because I've got like 200 and something videos. So yeah, it's gonna take a minute. So okay, so the pros and cons on this completion, really the only con was in this area, there are two symbols. Well, there's an O and a C, and they're both red, and they're extremely hard to see. Even with a light pad, I don't think it would have made any difference because, you know, a C is like this, an O is like this, right? And they're both just about the exact same color of red. And the letter was white. You know, the letter itself was white. So I had to sit back and kind of let my eyes adjust so that I could see the differences in the color because I couldn't tell the difference between the C and the O. So that was my con. But everything else is a pro. I think he turned out good. The sparkle is good. I didn't have any issues with the drills. I didn't have really any. I might have had, out of all the drills, maybe 6, 7, 8 funky drills. But they weren't like bad. They just had a little dimple in them. Or I think there was a couple that kind of had like, it looked like they were kind of scratchy on the top. Like it just had a little dent in it that you could feel when you ran your hand across it. So really there wasn't anything bad about the drills. The canvas was very sticky. So yeah, I don't think there was anything bad about this. And this is a 40 by 40. And I think it turned out really well. So, like I said, this is from Fansells, and I will look for the video, and I will put it in the description box if it's still available. But I'll still put Fansells' link in the description box. And this did have 23 colors, and they did have the DMCs on the schematics, and I had plenty left over. So that was no issue there either. So what do y'all think? I think he turned out very well. I really do. So, all right. Well, that's all I wanted to do is just jump on here real quick and show this completion so that I can get him off my desk and go put him up. So, all right, y'all. I hope everybody's having a great day. And until my next video, I will see everybody later. Bye, y'all.